Okay, so today I'm gonna change the oil and oil filter on Big Show. It's a Volvo truck, very reliable. First I have to open the lid. Once the lid is open, then I can raise the cab. If you look in the back, you're gonna see the Scania. This one is Showtime. So we got Showtime and Big Show. Here. All right, so I got the cab open. Here's the engine, big green. What I did was I started the engine for about 15 minutes, allowed the oil to get warm, so once I open that drain plug, the oil should flow out very easily. I got my two advisors under the truck. Hey! They're gonna make sure I do it right. Right, boy? Yeah, they wanna stay in the shade. All right, to change the oil is very simple. I have the new oil here. I also have the two replacement filters. This truck carries two. I also have the oil catch pan. And also there's a tool that I use to remove the oil filter. This one fits perfectly on this size oil filter. And you use the ratchet to remove it and put it back on. And there's also the tool to remove the oil drain plug. It's very simple. Okay, so I just drained the oil, and now I'm gonna remove the oil filters. You can see them right here. Yeah. Okay, Alright, so before you put the new filters, you have to put some oil on the ring of the filter. You just pass some oil around the ring so that it doesn't stick the next time you come to take it off. See? You do that for both. Put the filter back now. We don't have any oil in the filter. When the truck starts, it's gonna fill it by itself. You just hand tighten these filters. You don't need to use the wrench to tighten them. Alright, so this is the oil drain plug. It has a magnet, and this magnet catches any small metal pieces that may be found in the engine. So we're going to put the oil cap back on. Just clean it a bit. There it is. Now let's put it back on. Right, so we're under the truck now. This is the oil pan. I just closed the oil drain plug, and these are the two new oil filters that I just installed. So now I'm going to put a new oil into the truck. Alright, before I close the engine, I'm just going to top up the coolant level. Now we're going to put the oil in. So it takes about a 5-gallon bucket of oil. So I'm just going to check to see the exact level with the dipstick. Good. Always keep the dipstick pointing down, like that you don't get an incorrect reading. It's also good to check the oil after you start the truck, because oil has to go into the oil filters in various areas. So That's just a good thing to do.